What? Anyways, guys. Hello. It's Foxy as a human. I don't know. But anyways, we're doing this like I don't know, disasters thing. Well,
it's a storm.
I was going to go to a cabin with well, you know, a gingerbread man. It didn't really work out well. Don't ever judge gingerbread man. They put you in snowstorms.
That's why don't judge me.
Close the door. One. Okay. I'm sick of this. I'm sick of this. I don't know what to do.
Yes.
What? Why are you counting, bruh? Are you trying to count all the snowflakes? I don't think that's really possible.
Are you cold?
Yes, I'm freezing. Shut the door, children.
Be quiet. I don't like sitting in the door.
Well, you must. It's a snowstorm. This is one day we're gonna die. It's so loud.
Last time we went to a camp.
Ooh, nice. Wait. Okay. I have a question. Let's go upstairs. I want to know what's up here.
It's too laggy. I'm no leave.
What?
No.
Laggy.
Please. I heard there's gonna be a snowstorm coming early.
Oh my gosh. It's so snowy out.
Yeah, you should go and you could come inside.
What is the, okay, nothing's in the chest. Realize that now. What does this mean? I don't know what that means, so it's fine. Well, that's pretty.
Oh, it's happening!
What's happening?
The snowstorm!
Oh.
Come inside.
I can't. I have snow.
Come on, you're gonna freeze.
I'm trying. I fell off the stairs. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be an avalanche.
It's an avalanche!
Get inside. I can't move. Okay. Come in. Oh no. It's gonna be an avalanche. It's a horrible day for us. Horrible day indeed. Close the door. Stay inside.
Ooh!
Okay, I gotta put the carpet down. Carpet. I need carpet. No, stop!
Holy morning.
Whoa. What happened here?
Calm down, okay?
I'm confused. What happened to the cabin? There's snow now.
I know, there's snow upstairs. I got trapped.
Wait, what? Okay, look it. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get to a place that doesn't have it.
Thought this was supposed to be a camp for summer.
No, it's winter. How do you get summer and winter confused?
I like how it's still. I'm coming, guys.
What has happened?
I like how it's still spring
A bunny!
and it's snowing.
Why is there a bunny in the middle of winter?
What do you mean it's
What
spring?
color is it?
It's black.
What do you mean, Foxy? It's spring.
No, it's winter. It has to. Foxy.
Who's Foxy?
I'm Marco.
Marco.
What up, Polo?
Hello. Marco.
Marco, it's actually
This place is much nicer and it doesn't have any snow and it's way bigger too. Come in, child. Come in. Want what? No, keep the gingerbread man out. He's not. He can't be here. He's crazy.
We must stay by the fire.
it's so laggy.
Laggy. Our lives don't lag. Cookie.
Black.
Cookie. Okay, we got some coal. Okay, I don't know.
You bite the peach bite.
Oh, some bread. We need bread, Matt. We need bread, guys.
Red guys?
Bread, guys.
Red guys?
Who wants some bread?
This is taking forever to
Who want? Do you want bread?
You killed someone.
I think she's gonna die next. I'm staying away from that guy. I'm staying away. That was like murder. Ah!
The cookie's no longer being eaten. He's eating everybody else.
Come on, let's go.
I want to be eaten.
Come on, we gotta hide. We gotta hide. We gotta hide. We gotta hide.
I want to be eaten.
We gotta hide.
Okay. Oh, it's a little unicorn.
I'm so gonna. Oh.
Wait, that's not you.
I wish I was on Amino right now, or Tube You. Tube You. Why must you leave me? It's all because my dad, he said, let's go on a summer field trip with this weirdo. I'm like, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Nope, 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 no, 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 stop it. No, 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 stop it. I'm running home.
We
Ow.
don't have home.
No.
I think the gingerbread got
A sword? I
Spike
agree.
brought you there to kill you in the snow.
No. No, no.
Am I right, Mister?
Yeah! Ow! Right as I was
I think I found my
dead.
real room.
I'm gonna die. I don't
Nice
wanna
and
die
cozy in
today.
It's nice and cozy.
I don't wanna die today.
It's nice and cozy.
Please! Please! I give you mercy! I give you mercy! I give you mercy! I give you mercy! Okay, what? Is that for me? No.
That was his brother.
How could you?
You took my brother.
I took a bite out of him. He's dead now.
You took my brother.
Info.
What?
Info?
What?
Wait.
Stop killing us.
It's a murderous gingerbread man. He's hunting you in the snowstorm.
This is horrible. What a bad day.
I'm gonna read.
I'm gonna read some books. They're all called Info. Info 1, Info 2, Info 3, Info...
Marco.
Oh. Yeah?
I have a question.
What's your question?
Why is everything squared?
I
How
have
did
no
the
clue.
snowman die?
The snowman died, and I'm gonna go take a sword. And all the stuff. Ha!
But I'm close to fire.
I'm gonna take all the stuff, and now he's gonna die. What was that? Where are you, gingerbread man? Gingerbread man! Oh, I didn't even get him once.
All the other kids better run. Oh, what's it copyright?
Die today. Die
Run!
today.
Run! Run, man, run!
I'm gonna die at one.
I'm burning.
I don't want to die. I don't want.
For once, the murder is getting murdered.
I know. That's karma.
It's funny.
Don't worry. I'm gonna kill you too, Sasha. Ew. What was that?
Guys,
I'm-
be quiet.
Hi. Who's watching us?
Okay. Good night. She said we have to be quiet or we gotta go home.
Hey guys, sorry that was short, but we have to go. We were too loud and we're at a slumber party, so. Goodbye, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.